This is a used 2004 Dodge Dakota. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by a 3.7-liter, 6-cylinder engine. The features include split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Steve Rogers Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 9760 Route 64, Waterville, Ohio 43566.